In this video, I'll show you how to remove distractions from YouTube and how to disable recommended videos on YouTube. Let's get started. Remove specific recommendations from your home page. Click on the three dots next to any recommended video and select Not Interested. Or select Don't recommend this channel to prevent future content from a particular content creator. Do the same thing on the YouTube Watch page. Click on the three dots. Select Block Video to remove the video. Or select Block Channel to block the channel. If you want to reset YouTube recommendations for your account, follow this guide. Go to History on the left sidebar. Click on Clear All Watch History to remove all previously watched videos, which will help reset your recommendations. Click on Clear Watch History. You can pause your watch history. Click on Pause. Click Manage All History. Click Delete. Select Delete All Time. Click Delete. Click on your profile picture. Select your data in YouTube. Scroll down. Click on YouTube Watch History. Turn off this option. Click on the back arrow. Scroll down. Click on YouTube Search History. Turn off this option. Click on your profile icon. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Navigate to Notifications. Scroll down. Switch off the option for recommended videos to stop receiving notifications based on your viewing history.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.